But this is a good news altogether, no? Kasi maraming nagsasabi the war in Iran is negative, but it doesn't agree with what the stock market in the US is, no? Kung may gera man talaga sa US or may gera naman talaga, mukhang hindi nag-agree na takot ang merkado sapagkat ang US market, Kamiranda, during the Iran war is paakyat na nga ng paakyat since March 31st. Nag-break out pa nga tayo, no? So the narrative is the Iran war is positive for US investors. Yan po ang ating tatandaan, no? That the narrative is the Iran war is positive for the US investors, which means that Bitcoin hindi nalalayo. Hindi nalalayo ang Bitcoin, no? Isa lang sa mga bagay na palagay nating humihinto or nagpapahinto sa kanya is yung topic natin, which is all about the Clarity Act. So our live for today is to talk about ano nga ba, kailan ba ito